Hey people, how you guys doing? What's popping? Yeah, it's about the day to you. I'm actually about giving you an analysis of what's gonna happen in the market next weekend. I hope we had a beautiful trading day. Greetings to all my Forex partners and traders in the IML Dynamics. Greetings to you all. This is from Roland Martins, the head admin of the group. So for the past couple of weeks, we've been trading gold, and I want you to guys take this very seriously, and I want everyone to watch this because it's very important. Gold still remains one of the best, currencies you're going to be trading for the weekend. And I want us to trade on a long time line. For instance, our stop loss is going to be like 30 pips to 40 pips below. So we're going to hold gold this week and stay in the market for a longer period of time so that it will not be kicking us out on losses, but more, we're going to get more kicking out on profits than loss. So our losses are going to be minimal. Now, first and foremost, let me explain some major details to you. For instance, for some newbies now that have joined us lately, they've been asking how can I set a stop loss, how can I set a take profit and all that. Now, for instance, when you look at this trade there, look at this point here. This point is actually the present entry price, okay, of a buy order, okay, of a buy order. Now, what's a buy order? A buy order is where the present price is. This is a buy order at this point. Like, look at this point now. This particular section here. That's the buy. This green spots. Then, if you want to set a take profit and a stop loss, now on a buy order, have a pen and a paper. You need to write this down for you to be able to recall it. On a buy order, the take profit is always above the entry price. The green candle here represents the buy order. Do you understand what I'm saying? Why the red represents the sell order? Take cognizance of this. Now, why the stop loss is below the entry price. Now, this is the take profits. This is the entry price rather. This is blue green line. The take profit will be somewhere here. You can decide to sell like 20 pips ahead from here to here. Because for this candle to move upward and kick you on profits. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a buy order. While your stop loss is going to be below the entry price. Below the entry price, like below the candle, you can just come down here somewhere like this and choose this number and set as a stop loss. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what counts is the number of pips you're actually, actually going to take risk. So you get it now. Now, if you want to do, like, for instance, you want to do like like maybe you want to do something like a sell order, for instance. Let me check for something like any kind of trade that is selling. Okay. Now, for instance, now look at the sell order. Look at this. This is actually selling. Okay. Now, a sell order, the candles goes downward, while a buy order candles goes upward. The red candle represents the sell candle, while the white candle represents the green candle. If it's on your MetaTrader 4, if you're not using color, the black candle represents the sell candle, while the green represents the buy. You understand? Now, the sell, if you want to place a take profit on the sell candle, the take profit is going to be below. Now, look at where is the entry price? This is the entry price. Can you see this below this 107.00? This is the entry price, okay? So your take profit will be below the entry price when you're placing the sell order. So you can say your take profit is going to be somewhere here. Then look at this black, so 106 point. You can choose, but distance should not be, you know what I'm saying? You can choose the number of pips, say 106.75. Why does your take profit? Because the red candle comes downward, the sell candle goes down, while your buy candle goes upward. Do you understand? Now your stop loss should not be above the entry price, somewhere here. Do you understand? That's you're being, I would like to call it, you're being conservative. You get it now. So now I know I've explained what that is basically about to you guys. Now let's proceed on the analysis of the week. What's going to happen in gold for the week? Now gold, okay, what's going to happen in gold for the week? So we have a lot of things to talk about. Now, for instance, gold for the week. Now look at this. This is actually 4 hours time frame. Now from this point here, the line I've drawn here, okay, I need to be very, very, the line I've drawn so far here, to be expecting gold to buy for the week. Okay, it says hit this line. Look at this line. We have this come hit here. This is a particular section. And look at this point. This point comes hit here, and this point comes hit here. So we're expecting gold to get to this point, to move upward, and get somewhere here to go upward. So we're expecting gold to buy for the week. Gold is going to buy for the week. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. Let me go to a 1-hour time frame. Let me see what happens in gold for the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so the 1-hour time is pretty scattered, so it's actually very volatile. So I'm using the 4-hour time for the 1 day. Let me check the 1 day time frame. That's going to be like. So, okay, still applies. So we're going to be buying gold for the week, the new week. We're going to do more buying of gold. You understand? Because at this point, right here, we're expecting gold to move up. Okay? It's going to move up here. It's going to move up at this point. Okay? It's going to move up from this point. Let's hit this line. Look at this 2 sections line. 3 is hit. So we're expecting gold to move up. Keep moving. There's a possibility for there to be a retracement that's going to be moving upward for the week. Okay, that's for gold. Let's go to Euro USD and see what happens for the week. What happens is going to happen for the week. That's a daily trend. Euro USD, we're going to be buying Euro USD for the week too. Absolutely. We're going to be having to buy Euro USD for the week. Now, yeah, very important. We take it seriously because let me see and check what happens. 4 hours. Okay, yeah, we will have to buy Euro USD. Now look at the line here. It's drawn here. This line drawn here. So we're expecting this to hit it. Just hit it. It's going to come down a little bit. Okay. When it hits it, it's going to go up. Okay. It's going to go upwards. So it's going to be a more buying for the week. Okay. So I implore everyone, we're going to take more of gold for the week. I implore everyone to actually, ask questions, I guess you understood, you got the explanation I gave, okay? So hence we're going to be having, we're going to be setting our stop loss more lower than the way we used to set it because of the volatility of the currency. Gold is one of the most volatile currencies, so I decided to stick on gold for the past couple of years. Been phenomenal. We've had more of profit and losses. So we've had like over 20, as in that we have like over 90% profits in gold for the past couple of weeks we've been on it. So we're going to continue using it, doing it this week. Okay, let's see other ones. Let's see, okay, this is, let's see other ones. See what happens. Let's see gold. Yeah, this is, okay. Let's go. These are stocks. Okay, is the Euro Japanese yen. What happens to that currency? It's a 1-hour time frame. Okay, Euro Japanese. Okay, this is gonna be buying. It's gonna be buying for the week. Yeah, but it's all dependent on our strategy. What the selling for. It's gonna be buying for the week. Let's see USD CHF. Okay, what's gonna happen? Okay, he's gonna be selling for the week. Look at this point. The tick up has been formed at this point. This red line. So it's going to be coming down. There's going to be a little bit right now. There's a volatility at this point, but it's going to be coming down. Yeah, so it's going to be selling for the week. That's USD CHF. That's what happens. Okay, that's Euro AUD. Okay, right, beautiful. It's going to be selling right there. It's going to be selling. Okay, we seem to sold. We sold before the market closed. Yeah, it seems to sold before the market closed. We're going to be selling for the first couple of days in the market. At this point, we could look at now. Take a look at this point, where it is right now. Look at this point here. So you just hit it. There was a hit here. You can see here. Okay, it comes down. Goes up, come down. Hit it again. It's gonna be coming down. It's coming down, 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 down. You know what I'm saying? When it gets to those points, then it can actually retrace up. So it's going to still selling. We made some money before the market closed. Okay, let's see. Here's the issue. We've talked about that already. So Here's the JPY. Okay, let me check the time frame and see 2 hours time frame. Let's see what happens. Let's see 1 day. Okay, here's the JPY. What happens? Okay, beautiful. It's gonna be selling. Okay, it's gonna be selling though there might be volatility, but it's gonna be selling. Look at this point. Look at this point. Hit it. Look at this. Move upward here and got here. It came down. You know what I'm saying? Came down here, hit it. The same line. I get it now. So it's gonna be coming down. Okay. Look off this line. Look at this. Now take at this. Look at this. Look at this line. See that? See that? You trace it down. See that? See, it's gonna be going up, hitting it, like come down, and it's gonna go up again a little. It might possibly try to go up a little, but it's gonna come down. You know what I'm saying? When it comes down, expect it to be like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at this line. Look at what I'm talking. Look at what I'm talking about. You see, it's gonna hit it and it's gonna come down here. When it hits here, it's gonna go up a little. If it hits here, if it breaks the line, if it breaks this line, then what you need to do is expect it to go up a little. Your baseline, you're gonna expect, you're gonna wait. Now look at what happens. Now when it gets here, came down, it's gonna go up. If it hits here and breaks it, then you're expecting to keep going upwards to this point. Okay. But if it hits it and changes, that means it's gonna come down to this point. You know what I'm saying? That's what's gonna happen. Okay. GPUSD. The 1 day time, let me see 1 hour. I think we've been able to do a lot, you know, for the past couple of minutes. We've been right on here. Okay. Okay. 4 hours. See what happens. Okay. Now look at what happens. What's going to happen right now on GPUSD. Look at this point. And look at this. Look at this point. You know, and look at this point too. Look at this point too. At this point too. Now look at this. Came here, hit it, went up, came down. Are you getting now? Look at this point. Went up again and hit it. Are you seeing it now? Came down and it's coming down here. It has hit it already. Okay. 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 So it's gonna, there's a possibility it's gonna be buying. Okay, it's gonna be buying. Absolutely, because it's gonna be now. Check out GPUSD is gonna be buying for the week. This is a 4-hour time frame. Next couple of minutes, there's possibility for it to sell and come down here and hit this. Okay, before it retraces and start buying. You understand what I'm saying? That's it. See, instead of JPY, all this analysis are going to be given to you on the group. I just want you to know the plans we have and what we're going to be doing. But as we are going to be trading 90% of gold, so all these are just basic analysis for you to understand. So you have a wonderful weekend. God bless you all. Endeavor to ask questions. Okay, send me messages as you guys have questions because we're actually in the training process. We're actually moving forward now. If you have people you want to learn the skill set, hit me up. Okay, I want to willing to teach them. Send your numbers to me. I want to train them and educate them on the skills that they need to know. Okay, don't just be alone. Get people involved in this. Let's grow together. I have a vision to have 1,000 traders before the year runs out. 1,000 active traders on my group. That's just a vision. I want people to be a part of this vision by also getting people to come to learn the skills set. Refer them to me. Let me train them for free. I'm willing to put them through this process. Okay, they're going to learn for free. Just what I'm saying? But people that are willing to get this. People say there are no jobs, but there are opportunities like this is life changing. You get it now. If you're out of this country, you know the power of the dollar. You know the power of the dollar. There's a saying that goes that says there's something called, how will I call it now? Handwork. Okay? It's a handiwork. What can you use your hands to do? Do you have a global skill set? That's the question. What can you use your hand to do? You use your hand to trade. Can you trade the Forex market?